Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really fun video for me because I get to show off the cloth and paper spiral bound agenda. I'm super excited about this because I have a really fun idea for what I'm going to use this for. But this is going to be going out in the September subscription box. So if you're not subscribed, you have, I believe, until September 16th, which is a Sunday, at 12 p.m. Eastern time to subscribe. So I definitely recommend doing that. There'll be a link below for you guys to follow if you're interested. But I wanted to show you guys this because I'm going to be using this planner for my memory keeper. I've never been big into journaling or anything, but a lot of really great things have happened this year for me. But I feel like it's time to start documenting some of those things. So that's what I'm going to be using this for. So every package from Cloth and Paper is just amazingly chic and pretty. They always send beautiful cards, which I always save. I have about 1 million of these, but I just can't bring myself to throw them away because they're just so beautiful. I like to put these in different places in my different planners. I love this one. I don't know if this is new, but I'm digging this. It's super cute. Here it is. This is the 2019 Spiral Bound Planner, and you guys, I'm so excited about this because you guys know I'm a student. And I was scrambling to get my planner set up for all 2018 semester, and I still don't have it set up the way I wanted to. So I found myself at Target scrambling to find just a simple spiral bound planner that I could use in the meantime while I was trying to get all my planners set up. Because if you are a person who sets up a planner, you know how time consuming it is and how costly it can be. So I'm so happy that they came out with this spiral bound. It's like perfect timing for me. But it is absolutely gorgeous, and look at the spine on this. It reminds me of just like a book. I love it. So you can sit them up on your shelf like this, and then you can find the year and look back, which is what I love. So that's why I'm using this as like my memory keeping type of planner. So it has this beautiful black cover with the gold foiled year and gold foiling on the spine. And then when you open it up, there's a pocket in the front cover, which is amazing. Then we have our 2019 cover, and these spirals are actually kind of like a rose gold color, so you could go silver gold or rose gold in here. And then it has the "This Agenda Belongs to" page, which I actually love filling out. I like to like sign my name all cool and cursive. And then we have a 2019 year at a glance right here. I like to use this for just tracking things, so I don't know what I'm going to track in here, but I always use it for something. And then after that, we have the holidays listed out, which I love how it's just on one page. You don't have to flip through every single month to find what days these holidays are on. I like to know, especially when like Easter is or like Thanksgiving. I just like to know the dates way ahead of time because I'm a crazy planner person. And then in the beginning of the month, so this starts in October, in the beginning of the month we have kind of like a home page. So you have do more, do less. And then we have birthdays, upcoming events, and important dates. And I like this because this is going to be a memory keeper, but I'm also going to be planning like my goals in here. So what I'm going to do hopefully is like plan out my goals ahead of time and like do a weekly goal kind of check-in thing in here. And then I'm going to actually go back and fill in what I did for the day or what I got accomplished out of my goals. That's my plan. I'm really excited to get going on this because I've been trying to get into like goal planning and journaling for a really long time. But I haven't found the right like system to do that, but I think this is gonna work out really good. So when you open up to the week, it has a small monthly calendar so you can reference dates. And then it has priorities right here, which I like because like I said, I'm gonna be doing my goal planning in here. So I think what I'll do is have like 3 objectives or 3 goals that I wanna accomplish, or I don't know, it could be different from week to week, maybe a mindset that I wanna keep. And then I'm going to do some like goal planning things throughout my week here. And then I'm going to go back in and write down what I actually did or what I accomplished that week. So I love that it's vertical for one, and I love that it's lined. If I don't have something that's either lined or grid, I tend to get really sloppy in my planners, so I really like that. So then after that, we have this view right here, which is numbered 1 through 28. And I think what I'm going to do is write down something good that happened every single day if I can. You could also use this for listing, for your groceries. Honestly, you could do anything with this, but I think I'm gonna do like something I'm grateful for every single day on this page. And then the rest of the planner continues on the same. At the beginning of the month, again, you have your birthdays, upcoming events, important dates, do more, do less. So I'm really excited to get going in this. I cannot wait for October to roll around because I have plenty of goals that I'm already planning out. So I think I'm gonna pre-plan a little bit today actually and put down some of my goals and some of the things that I want to use this for, or maybe make just some sort of list or idea of how I want to use this. And I'm going to be updating you guys on this. I think I want to do like a weekly plan with me. If you guys would want to see that, let me know down below. I can definitely try to do that. I feel like I've neglected my YouTube channel for far too long, so I'll be on here hopefully every single week now, so you guys can expect more videos from me. I will be sharing more of this. If you guys have ideas, I've talked to a lot of people on Instagram who are also using this for a similar thing. I feel like we should create a hashtag or something so we can all kind of share ideas and see how we all memory keep in our own planners. So if you guys have any good hashtag ideas, leave them below and we'll pick one and use them for Instagram. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you want to get this in the monthly subscription box, I definitely recommend subbing ASAP. Like I said, the last day to sub is this Sunday, September 16th at midnight Eastern time. Alright guys, well that's it for me today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Keep a lookout for me here on YouTube as well as Instagram because I will be posting more and I have a lot of fun things coming up. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day. Bye guys.